Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video le apnalokok swagatom janaisu. So start koru. Okay, first ki ase amoebic meningoencephalitis. So Kerala report kora hoise eta outbreak of ki amoebic meningoencephalitis. Etu eta ki hoy fatal brain infection hoy. Mane people can die because of it. Okay, fatal brain infection hoy. Brain infection hoy ki hai cause kore brain eating amoeba ki Naegleria fowleri. Okay, October 2025 104 cases like 104 cases already detect kora hol aru already 23 deaths report kora hol. Thik ase? Mainly in Kollam and Thiruvananthapuram district. The disease spread through contaminated water entering the nasal passages, thik ase, and reaching the brain. Okay, nasal passage di contaminated water mane water enike enter hoy pelai ki hoy brain reach kore aru etu spread hoy nai etu infection to start hoy. Okay, following the 2023 Nipah outbreak, Kerala made reporting of all encephalitis cases mandatory to identify causes early and strengthen surveillance. Okay, eta MCQ sound. With reference to amoebic meningoencephalitis, consider the following statements. The disease is caused by free-living amoeba, ki Naegleria fowleri, ki hai cause kore a brain-eating amoeba to cause kore. So statement 1 is correct. 2 ki koise it spread through person-to-person contact by or by consuming contaminated food. This is not correct. Etu hedi hoy contaminated water nasal passage di jai hoy na, it is not person to person. Okay, statement 2 is not correct. 3 ki koise the infection affect the central nervous system leading to fatal brain inflammation. So this is correct. 4 ki koise Kerala has made reporting of all encephalitis cases mandatory since 2024. So statement 4 is also correct. So 1, 3 and 4 correct hobo, that is option C. Okay, option C to correct hobo. Yes. Next ki ase CM flight. So Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sharma launched korile the Chief Minister's Foreign Language Initiative for Global Human Talent. Ki launch korile CM flight, that is Chief Minister's Foreign Language Initiative for Global Human Talent at Northeast Skill Center in Guwahati. Okay, what? Northeast Skill Center in Guwahati. The initiative aims to train Assamese youth in foreign languages like Japanese. So initiative to main aim to keep Assamia youth of train kora with foreign languages jeneke Japanese and enhance their employability in global sectors. Jate teoluke employment opportunities pie in global sectors such as construction, nursing and food services. Okay. The first batch include 180 candidates and will be conducted in collaboration with these. Okay, ekin logot collaborate kore etia first batch kiman ase 180 candidates. Okay, eta MCQ song. With reference to CM flight initiative recently launched in Assam, consider the following statement. CM flight aims to train Assamese youth in foreign languages to improve employability in overseas sectors. So statement 1 is correct. 2 ki koise the program is implemented by Ministry of External Affairs. This is not correct. Not by the Ministry of External Affairs. Thik ase, it is implemented by Government of Assam, not Ministry of External Affairs. So 2 incorrect. Okay. 3 ki koise first phase of CM flight focuses on Japan as primary destination for skilled workers. So this is also correct. Etia for Japanese ami eto video eta saisilu hoy na jone jone follow kora news teoluke sage video to saise jot Hemanta Biswa Sharma e koi asile why it is important to learn other languages. Next, 4 financial assistance of 1 lakh per candidate is provided for training and relocation support. So statement 4 is also correct. 1, 3, 4 correct hobo, option B. Okay, to ever silent, the Assam government provides 1 lakh of our training and implementation partners plus 50,000 post placement assistant. ठीक है से monot rakhiba. Okay, next. Northeast heart, not periphery. So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently stated that Northeast is no longer the periphery but the pulsating heart of India's growth story. So, India's growth story, Northeast to itia periphery no hoy mane not iman important nuhua no hoy mane it is an important part of India's growth story. ठीक है. This marks a major shift in national policy focus, emphasizing Northeast centrality in nation's development under Viksit Bharat vision. It will key highlight kore Northeast or centrality in nation's development under Viksit Bharat mission vision. ठीक है. The statement was shared in response to the article by Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia, who highlighted Arunachal Pradesh transformation from isolation to integration and connectivity through key infrastructure projects such as Sela Tunnel, Vairabi, Serang railway link and bridges over the Brahmaputra. At a MCQ sound. With reference to recent statement, the Northeast is no longer the periphery but the pulsating heart of India's growth story. Consider the following statement. The statement was made by Prime Minister while highlighting the growing role of Northeast in India's development. So, kune korise statement to Prime Minister ki highlight kori pelai je Northeast or growing role to India development or Northeast or juntu growing role ase. Okay. Statement 1 correct. 2 to ki koise Union Minister Jyotiraditya has earlier underscored the importance of Arunachal Pradesh in India's nation building effort. ठीक है से? So, etu. Oh wait. One is not correct. Okay. While the statement was shared by statement to Prime Minister share korisile social media, it was originally highlighted in the views expressed by Union Minister Jyotiraditya in his article about the Northeast transformation. So original statement is not from Prime Minister. Okay, Muralok bhul gol. Sorry for that. So statement 1 to incorrect hobo, 2 to correct hobo. Ki koise Jyotiraditya indeed underscored the Arunachal Pradesh growing role in India's national development, referring to it as an emerging hub under Viksit Bharat. So, enaka silly mistakes hoy exam to hoy. Okay. So, statement 1 is not correct. 2 to correct hoy. Okay. 3 to ki koise the Sela Tunnel in Arunachal Pradesh connect Guwahati to Itanagar directly through an all-weather road. This is not correct. Guwahati to Itanagar connect nokore. Thik ase Sela Tunnel does not connect Guwahati to Itanagar. It connects Tezpur, Assam to Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, enhancing connectivity and border preparedness. Okay. So 1 not correct, 2 correct, 3 not correct, 4 to sound. The Vairabi Serang railway link connects Assam and Mizoram and is among India's major recent infrastructure achievements. So this is correct. 2 arrow 4 correct hoy okol. So C, option C will be the correct answer. ইয়াত আনসাৰটো ভুলকে দিয়া আছে ইয়াত অলপ পিপিটিটো অলপ খেলিমেলি কৰিছে আই এপোলজাইজ ফৰ দ্যাট ওকে সো নেক্সট PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. So PM Narendra Modi launched 2 major agricultural initiative. Duta major agricultural initiative launch korile PM Narendra Modi e tarpisor ki Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana and the mission for Atmanirbhar in pulses in New Delhi. ठीक है से को launch कोरले New Delhi. The combined outlay is 35,440 crore of which 24,000 crore is allocated to the Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana and 11,440 crore to the Pulses Mission. ঠিক আছে, এই ডাটাখিনি মনত ৰাখিবা, আকৌ এবাৰ চাই লওঁ। Combined outlay is 35,440 crore, ঠিক আছে, য'ত of which to 24,000 crore to Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana aru 11,440 crore to Pulses Mission karne, thik ase. This scheme aims to enhance crop productivity, promote crop diversification, strengthen irrigation, boost credit availability and make India self-reliant in pulses production across 100 districts. So here related eta MCQ ami sao. Okay, with reference to the recently launched Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana and Mission for Atmanirbhar in Pulses, consider the following statements. Kungita correct hoy sabo lage. First to ki koise, the total combined outlay of both scheme is 24,000 crore. This is not correct. 35,440 crore asile, not 24,000. So statement 1 is wrong. 2 to ki koise, the mission for Atmanirbhar in Pulses aims to improve pulse productivity, expand cultivation area and enhance value chains. So statement 2 is correct. 3 to ki koise, the Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana will be implemented in 100 districts across country to promote crop diversification and irrigation. So okay, so 3 to correct hoy, the okay, 3 to correct hoy, the Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana aims to enhance irrigation and crop diversification in 100 districts. Thik ase, okay. 4 to ki koise, these schemes were launched under the Ministry of Food Processing Industry. This is incorrect. The schemes were under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Kiho under etu mona rakhiba, Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, not Food Processing Industries. Okay, so okol 2 aru 3 correct hoy, 2 aru 3 correct hoy, baki kita wrong hoy. So option B correct hobo. Next, India's first semiconductor museum. So India inaugurate korile India's first semiconductor innovation museum in Hyderabad on October 12, 2025 under Technology Chip Innovation Program. Okay, and the museum aims to showcase India's growing capabilities in semiconductor design, research and manufacturing and promote public awareness, innovation and investment in chip technology. So main aim to ki museum to showcase ki India growing capabilities in semiconductor design aru research and manufacturing and promote kora public awareness, innovation and investment in chip technology. Thik ase, it also complements initiatives like the India Semiconductor Mission, PLI schemes and Digital India startup incubators, strengthening Hyderabad's position as an emerging global semiconductor hub. Okay, eta MCQ sao. Where is the India's first semiconductor innovation museum inaugurated in 2025? Quote, Hyderabad, option A. Next, Unified Markets Interface. So the Reserve Bank of India has launched the Unified Market Interface to tokenize final assets using wholesale central bank digital currency. Okay, the initiative aims to expand market access, improve transparency and enhance settlement efficiency through smart contracts in blockchain. It also aligns with RBI's effort to strengthen digital public infrastructure, especially under the account aggregator framework focusing on data security, interoperability and financial inclusion. Here related at MCQ sound. The Unified Market Interface recently launched by RBI is primarily associated with Here logot associated a tokenization of financial assets using CBDC. Okay, so statement so option A to a correct hoy. Okay, so here is the main question. So be practice koriba. So that's all for today. Kale ako log pam same homoyot. Thank you.